Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will talk all about dotting tools, how to use them, clean them and care about them. First, I'll tell you what tools I use personally. So first are these flat plastic tools. They are very simple and easy to use tools and they are available all over the world. They come in the set of 8 tools and I bought them from Amazon. I will give the link of all the products that I am showing in the description below. Next one are these silicone nail stylus tools. They were in the set of 5. So one side is like small balls and the other side is silicone tools. Originally they are used for nail art, but I use them for fixing the mistakes and wiping the paint from any surface. Next are these heavy ball kind of tools. They are for cake decorating and I use them for walking the dots. And last one are these wooden clay tools. This needle tool is my favorite. I use it for dragging the dots and making all kind of shapes. I use this manicure tool also for dragging the swooshes, and this embossing tool comes handy for walking the dots. You have seen me dotting with all these tools in my videos. I'll show you quickly how to use them. So you can see here this paint is little thin and the dots are coming flat. And the next paint is too thick and dots are coming pointed. Now this is the right consistency of paint where you get the nice pearl-like dot. For that your paint should be in the consistency of the thick yogurt. You will get this right with practice. Here you can see if you touch the tool hardly with pressure, your dot will not come properly and you will get a wrinkle on your dot. To fix this, touch the surface lightly with your tool. Do it again if you don't get the shape right in the first go. After you are done with one color, wipe the tool nicely with a fabric or paper towel. This is how you use the tool for walking the dots. I have made a separate video on this topic. You can find the link of that video in the description. Now I'll show you how to use the silicone tool for fixing the mistakes or wiping the paint. You can see how easy it is to wipe the paint with these tools. I use this tool for spreading the resin also. By regular use, these tools become quite dirty and it is important to clean them periodically. I clean my tools thoroughly every other month or whenever I feel they are becoming very messy. I just keep them in a dish and put little bit of dish soap and pour hot water on them. Then I leave them for soaking for about 30 minutes. After they are soaked, you can just rub the paint off. An old toothbrush also can be used to clean them. Most of the paint comes off like this, and the tools gets cleaned easily without any chemicals or artificial agents. I would like to tell you one more thing, is to never wash and throw the paint in the sink. Not only does it clog up your sink, but it also releases incredibly harmful chemicals into the sewer system and groundwater. So I would suggest that you let your paint thoroughly dry and then throw it in the dustbin. I hope this video was helpful. Consider subscribing for more such videos and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.